Hello. If you have reached this link, you are probably in my Principles of Engineering class, which is first hour. It is a class that is for both physics at high school and gives you college engineering credit based upon the score at the end of the year on a Project Lead the Way exam. This year we're going to dive into the basics of engineering through that physics lens of looking at forces, how engineers document things, how simple machines work, what the math looks like, and do a little bit of coding along the way. We will have some units that are a little bit tricky. We'll have some units that are very hands-on, and we'll be working to keep safe through the entire year. My philosophy is all about mindset growth. I want you as a student or the families to know that I am all about getting the understanding and making sure that you learn what you need to learn before we move on. And that means that I will allow multiple attempts at all of our assessments, all of our tests. And I am really looking for students to show me that they have figured it out. And if they need help, then we'll set up help to get that figured out. I hope that they have a great year. I also coach a robotics team. Fall is robotics teams with small robots. We have multiple teams. We still have opportunities. You can register in the activities page at Park Center. And then winter, we will build a bigger robot. There's a picture of that on my slide. I look forward to this year. Please reach out if you have any questions. The best way to reach me is Schoology message or email at draket, D-R-A-K-E-T, @district279.org.